Today, I'm showing you this carbon monoxide detector, perfect for keeping your home safe. Inside the box, you get everything you need: the detector, the user manual, and the accessories. Installation couldn't be easier. You just plug it straight into the wall. No tools required. One of the best features is the built-in battery that lasts up to 10 years, giving you long-term peace of mind with no need for replacements. It uses an electrochemical sensor for accurate carbon monoxide detection, minimizing false alarms. It's ideal for catching any leaks early on. Now, let me show you how the alarm works. Just press the center test button. As you can hear, the sound is loud and clear. Another great detail is the soft night light. It doesn't interfere with sleep, so it's safe to use in bedrooms. In short, this is a must-have device, easy to use.